There it is. Oh, it's pretty. There's my girlfriend pockets. I'm put other some. Look at that. Oh. So those are the pockets for the double desire. Nice. Oh, and with a bow tie. And matching flashes. Oh shit, and a matching foreign. That's awesome. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Set to stripe. Gorgeous. Look at that lid. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's got a restrained string. Look at those. Nice leather buckles. Nice securely fastened on. Nice solid metal on the buckles. Beautiful. Oh, and it's got a liner too. Look at that. Awesome. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait to try it on. Well, it fits like a glove. Like, perfect. It is exactly what I measured, and I mean, between the contour of the fell and the way it I mean, I'm over the moon. I wanted to have one of these in my mom's Stanley colors forever, and it is a joy to finally have. It's got belt loops on either pit. It's set to stripe with about maybe 7/8 of an inch on the pleats. It's got a nice box pleat on the right hip. The straps and buckles are high quality and feel nice and solid. The liner is in a great place. It's going to keep it from wrinkling anything underneath it. I am over the moon. Thank you so much, Scottish Kilt. I will definitely buy them again.